Hello, number 5 is you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and I am Himali Nursing, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist, and your life coach. Let's look at what are the energies playing out for number 5s from the 18th of March to the rest of the month. How is March 2021 going to be for you for the rest of the part? And what are the things that you should be careful of? What is it that you should do? What is it that you shouldn't do? Let's look at what are your energies coming up as. You've got Seven of Cups and Courage. So, Seven of Cups here indicates that you could have a lot of options right now, number 5s. But you have to be very, very careful of what you select, because not everything that you select right now is going to work out in your interest in the future. Take a step of courage and go for something that's more experimental, and that is something that's going to work out for you in the future. Don't go for the easiest option, because that is something that you won't be happy with in the near future. This could be in terms of love, this could be in terms of career, whatever it is. You are not seeing the true, you're not seeing it at face value, and that is something that will sort of be a conflict of interest in the near future. So be very careful with your decision making and choices right now. On the love front, you've got Four of Pentacles and Six of Wands. So Four of Pentacles here indicates that you could be really, really protective about your energy, who you give your energy to, what you do. And the other person here, however, is going towards a success mindset, and they want you at any cost. Now, well, keeping this in mind, you are really not engaging with the person, not investing much into the person, and the other person really wants to win over you, win over your heart. Or by doing this, you could be winning the heart of someone that you've been wanting to. So if this is a strategy to win their heart, you are on a successful path. This will give you the results that you want. So continue to do that. If there is someone who has been chasing you, you will have to keep your energies really reserved in order to not let someone in, but they are doing everything to get you, number 5. So you could just look at you could just observe and give it some time, and there's always no harm in figuring things out with a person who loves you so much. On the work front, you've got the King of Cups and the Outsider. King of Cups here indicates that you could have cut yourself off the drama. There could have been arguments, there could have been issues in terms of money, there could have been issues in terms of resources, and you could have felt quite the outsider here. You have cut off ties with people who are involving you in the drama, and you are just contained in your limited zone. These people may want to get you back on the battlefield. However, if you do not engage much with them, there is nothing that they can do, and it's you and only you who decides where your energies are put to. So you will have to remain a little more limited in terms of your interaction on the work front. Let's look at some of the advices we have for you. The first advice is from the Romance Angels. You deserve love. You are lovable. Just like I said. Number 5, anyway, this is your year and you are going to shine. So whatever you do, make sure that it's something that you are very, very proud of in the next few years to come. A new start is coming, new moon. So new moon has got a new start for you in the past few days. Number 5, please write to me in the comment section below and tell me what this new start was. Some things that you need to do or stop would be retreat. Stop trying to make something happen. And the situation calls for adaptability and innovation. I think this is more onto your work front. If there is something that you would want to know from the angels, or you are sort of waiting for a message from the angels, what would it be? Yes, no, what should I do, what shouldn't I do? The answer is forgiveness. Practice forgiveness. Forgive people or ask for forgiveness and get over with it. The lucky number for you these next few days is silver. Be persistent is your message, and the number for you is 27. So number 5, these are your cards, these are your energies for the next few days. Please write to me if this resonates with you. For personalized readings, you can log on to our website and book your sessions with us. We will revert to you in the next 24 to 48 hours after booking a session, and we can take it up from there. So guys, until I bring you more content, stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance, and stay home and stay safe.